go again. Now we are doing the second box that I got. This is one of my favorite outsides. It looks just like a TV. Okay, let's open it. Now this one does not have everything in it because I could not find this. Let's show you here. This flashlight here, it's missing. I had it, but Caleb lost it and I couldn't find it anywhere. So it's not in this box, but I have everything else. This is Pete's hat from Pete and Pete. It does not have an opening, or it's not stretchy, so it doesn't fit my head because it's kind of small. Should have been stretchy. Okay. And then also from Pete and Pete is his tattoo. Petunia. This is right on the back. Okay. And then we have this tissue dispenser. Let me take it out for you. This is what it looks like. You put it on a square tissue box. And then the tissues are supposed to come out of this nostril hole here. But it does not work. It tears up all your tissues. So if you have one, do not use it. Okay. Next, this is a piece of the Oh, who's calling me? This is a piece of the aggro crag from Guts. This is what it looks like. And it glows in the dark. Now this is, oops, dropped it. This is the stick right here. And it comes with all the pieces and the faces and the eyes. And then you put it on the stick. You make your own. And then here is the Stride of the Silver Monkey puzzle from Legends of the Hidden Temple. Here's what it looks like. And then all the pieces come apart just like this because it's a puzzle. And then you put all the pieces back together like that. Okay. And then next we have this journal from Clarissa Explains It All. It is just a notebook with some paper. And then it also comes with these stickers. Okay. And then last we have this hat. And this apron from Good Burger. And that is it for this video.